वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल प्रिपेयर एंड पैम्पर। आज मैं आपके पास लेके आया हूँ उत्तराखंड की फेमस डिश जिसको हम बोलते हैं फाना, जो आपको हर किसी उत्तराखंडी घरों पे मिलेगी आसानी से। तो ये बेसिकली है लेंटिल करी, जिसमें हम चने दाल को मडल करते हैं और बाद में हम उसको टेम्पर करते हैं। तो बिना किसी रुकावट के आइए शुरू करते हैं।
4 and 5 and then we need some garlic, that also like 4 to 5 pieces of garlic and 2 pieces of onion, a small one. So we will combine all of them and we will just muddle that thing with a yellow lentil.
Here we have the stone table in which we have already put our yellow lentil with some green chili and garlic. So now we will gonna muddle it nicely and then you will see how we're gonna put some water in there and then we will mix it. So it's a traditional style of muddling the yellow lentil and it just combine all of that flavor in it. We will make just a thick paste out of it so that it enhance the flavor with yellow lentil. Basically इसमें हमने चना दाल यूज़ करी है जो एकदम कंबाइन होके पेस्ट बन जाएगा इसका। बहुत ही मेहनत लगती है। अगर आपके पास में ये स्टोन टेबल नहीं है तो आप मिक्सी में भी इसको ग्राइंड करके यूज़ कर सकते हैं। As you can see that we already muddled our chana dal and some green chili and garlic, so it's all mixed together. You can see the texture right here. It's like little bit chunky and a muddled one, so it's give all of the flavor nicely. So later on we will just temper it.
Now we have started tempering our fana. For that we will be required some of that rye, that is a black mustard seeds, and a 1 piece of onion which we have already chopped, and then we'll go further to add this muddled yellow chana dal which have already been muddled with green chili and some garlic. And now when we will put it in an oil, we will temper our lentil gravy with some salt and some coriander powder and a little bit of turmeric powder. So we have already put these black seeds, and then we're gonna add our chopped onion into it. So we'll just slowly stir it well so that it will not burn our onion. So you need an iron pot for making this lentil curry, because when you just cook it in this pot, it gives a really good iron taste in that, and it cooks well also in the iron pot. So as you can see that we already have shallow fried our onions. Now we're gonna slowly add our lentil paste into it. We have to mix it well so that it will not stick to the pot, so that it will mix well with each and everything ingredient. As you can see that it's already been look like a curry. So now we add some turmeric, just a half spoon. Then we add a half spoon of coriander powder. Then we add a salt. You can add the salt like as per your taste, but just we need to see that it is balanced with the curry. So one more special ingredient we will put it in, and that is we'll call the asafoetida. It's a, in Hindi we call it हींग. तो इसमें हम हींग भी ऐड करेंगे ताकि उसका जो बैलेंस टेस्ट है वो अच्छा रहे. Just a small bit. So this is what we have used, a हींग, little bit. जैसे कि मैंने आपको दिखाया था कि हमने लेंटिल करी को अच्छे से टेम्पर किया था और उसमें पानी ऐड करने के बाद हमने उसको बॉइलिंग के लिए छोड़ दिया था. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि ये धीरे धीरे थिक होने लग गया है और इसको हम कम से कम 20 मिनट तक अच्छे से पकाएंगे ताकि इसमें से जितने भी लम्स हैं वो क्लियर हो जाएं. As you can see that our farnu has already been prepared. You can serve it with rice and with some chapati. Enjoy.